the most awaited purple cauliflower Sondesh recipe.
Yummy. Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So you all know what is that. This is purple cauliflower Sondesh. Why I am making this video again? Because I shared this recipe for Bengali Nobobosho in Bengali language, and so I got a huge response from everywhere, especially in Instagram. It already crossed 12,000 view, and in YouTube also I got a good view. So there are many people who cannot understand Bengali, so they told me if possible if I can prepare this recipe for them in English. So yes, I can, because this is really very nice. All over in the world anybody can prepare this Sondesh, the dessert, Bengali dessert. So when I prepared this dessert, actually the original recipe what I heard, that is Rabindranath Tagore, আমাদের Rabindranath Tagore, he used to like the ফুলকপি সন্দেশ. I wanted to do something very innovative, and yes, I got one question that how I did this purple color. Did I use any food color? But the answer is really no. So in this long video you can go through each and every step properly. I will definitely tell you in English so that everybody can understand. So you can see this color will come from the own color from the vegetable itself. There is no artificial color used. And one more thing I want to definitely mention, that for the past 8-9 years I'm not using artificial color in food. Either it's tandoori or it's in biryani or pulao. I don't use any kind of artificial food color. Only the color I use that is edible and from good brand, for red velvet cake and some more cakes I use, but that is very rare. Most of the time I'm using preparing the fruit cake, so in that case there is no artificial food color. So in this recipe definitely, you know, I everybody I give it to my very close people, and so they liked it. They thought, okay, what is that? There is no chena, like no cottage cheese, paneer, nothing is that, but you prepare a sweet. So, and some of the people they actually during Nobobosho they prepared this recipe and they loved it. So just go through the recipe, and that will be a long recipe, long video actually, and then you can try this recipe. So just go through the recipe, don't miss it. In the description box you will get the ingredient, so just follow the recipe, and I will share all the links in there. If you don't get the purple cauliflower, because it's summer time, maybe it's not you cannot get it the purple cauliflower, so in that case you can prepare with normal cauliflower also. So I'm going to enjoy this sweet, and you just go through the.
In this recipe you need purple cauliflower, of course, then ghee or clarified butter, then cinnamon, and then green cardamom, and then little bit of salt, and milk powder, then condensed milk, sugar, and green cardamom powder. First step, cut the cauliflowers. We just need the florets only, not the white portion. Florets are ready, and I wash it properly. Now in a kadai, heat 1 cup of water, not the boiling one. I am adding this whole green cardamom and cinnamon stick in the water to remove the raw smell of cauliflower. Now in a low flame add the cauliflower florets into this and cover it up so that it will be softened. And now time to check the cauliflower. You can see the color is little bit light and these are soft actually. So now I will keep this cauliflower florets aside and semi-boiled or parboiled you can say, and I will make a reduction with the water so I can retain the color. This is a natural color of the cauliflower, you can see it's purple one. Now I have to reduce the water, so I will prepare the reduction properly. And with the reduction or reduced water I added that parboiled cauliflower. Now you can see the cauliflower already soaked that water and retain the original purple color. So you see I did not use any kind of color, artificial color. Once it is in room temperature you have to mash it the way I am mashing this. So it won't be a smooth mash but the coarse mash. So the mashed cauliflower will look like this. It will help the texture of the sondesh or the dessert. This recipe is very close to me because it changed my life. I became the one of the 25 winners of Fortune Masterclass 2025. Time for the second step cooking. First, add this clarified butter and heat it. Those who are staying out of India or cannot have that clarified butter or ghee, you can prepare this recipe with unsalted butter also. Though clarified butter or ghee has own flavor which is pretty good. So now in this clarified butter I am adding this mashed cauliflowers. Now I will add a little bit of ghee and then I have to stir it well so that it won't burn. It is a little bit dry and now I will add the sugar and I have to cook it till the sugar is melting. And now you can see the sugar is already started caramelized and the dark purple color is coming out. So I am adding this milk powder in this stage. Again it's dry. Now I will add the condensed milk and I have to cook for a while. Now it has a creamy texture. At this stage I will add this green cardamom powder and cook it in medium high flame. I always add a pinch of salt in dessert. It will enhance the taste and the sweetness. Now it's time to cool it down. I have this heart shaped silicone mold, so I am placing the almond flakes at first. The cauliflower mixture is already in room temperature, so now I will place it in this mold and I have to wait for a couple of time. And now I will set this in the freezer, not in the deep freeze but in the normal freezer, at least 3 to 4 hours. And time to demold. So this is the final result. Congratulations my viewers, you are expert in this purple cauliflower sondesh and I am garnishing with edible silver foil. It's optional but it looks good basically. So it's up to you if you want to decorate it with this silver foil or not, but yes, it is really good. So purple cauliflower sondesh, the dessert is done and dusted. Thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Do check my MaddyBee also, and whenever you are preparing this dessert, please tag me or let me know. Thank you.